view. So we made it, you guys. We're here, man. This is the domes. Came out of right there, Caxambas. Pretty cool little beach spot. If you guys want, you can pull up, hang out here, you can come in here and do some fishing like these guys. Or you can cruise around and come up this way. Pretty cool either way. Pulled the laser up on the beach. How cool. So we made it, you guys. I found this little island. Figured I'd camp out here for a second, but check this out. We're here, man. This is the domes. I've been here once when I was a little kid, but the domes were on land. And I remember we walked the island, and now, I mean, they're a couple hundred feet out. That's incredible. Just enjoying the view. Spectacular day, about 10 knots. Coming offshore breeze, which is nice. So there's not a lot of waves, and just pull the boat right up, no problem. But how cool is this? I guess the story goes is this guy built this house back in the 70s as a vacation home, and he abandoned it in 1992. But these are the dome houses on stilts. The house was built to be completely sustainable. The domes were created so all the water runoff would go down into this huge cistern underneath, and allow them to have essentially run all that water through a bunch of filters, and then allow them to have shower and be able to wash dishes, things like that. So really, really cool. There was solar power on it. And just a cool reminder that eventually the Earth is gonna take over. Any low-lying areas especially are gonna see it faster than others, but very, very cool. Always wanted to get out here, and figured I'd sail out today just because the wind was just so beautiful, and it was a perfect day. Not too bad, 1.5 hours by sailboat. They say it's 2-3 hours by kayak, and then about 10-15 minutes by motorboat. So a lot of boats come out here to check it out, but kind of a really nice opportunity. If you're ever in this area, come check out the dome houses. These things are sweet.